Hi, Crafty Angels. Nessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with a purchase order from Miss Tereasa Brady. And I pre-opened the envelope, but I haven't looked in it. And it is a purchase I made from her for some resin dominoes. But what I see is this first, a few tags that she's made. Oh, and they're pretty. Ooh. And she has her name on the back. Look at that, how pretty. She has glitter or stickles on it. This one says glitter and glamour. This one's the stronger you become, the gentler you will be. Ooh. This one says be happy. They are really, really pretty. And this one says, I can't read it. Still dares to dream. It says right here. See? Still dares to dream. Ooh, that is awesome. Let's get into this. I want to see. This is what I want to see here. Haha. And they came in some little velvet bags. And they're custom made. Oh, look how pretty. They're glittery. They got a little shimmer. Oh, yes. What I can do with this. And then the second one is the same thing. Same colors. And they are so pretty. Ooh. I like my dominoes. Thank you, Miss Tereasa. So if you want some resin pieces made, run on over to Miss Tereasa Brady on Facebook and place your orders. So I want to say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new content or when I go live. And also, please be kind, be caring, be loving, be crafty, be safe, stay safe. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.